Evidence from more than 1 billion patients treated. Substandard medicines. Looking beyond the obvious. Part 1. According to the WHO, World Health Organization, substandard medicines are those that do not follow standard quality specifications and arise as a result of the lack of expertise, poor manufacturing practices, or insufficient infrastructure. These products are usually dangerous for all patients. Considering the magnitude of the global pharmaceutical industry and the incidence of potentially fatal illnesses, the rapid spread of these products is a serious clinical and public health concern because substandard products can increase the risk of health problems and mortality, generate drug resistance, generate loss of medicine efficacy, cause patients loss of confidence in health systems and health workers, cause economic loss, produce adverse events from incorrect active ingredients. In Venezuela, for example, Primaquine tablets were found containing 19% to 168% of this active ingredient used in malaria treatments. As a consequence, a patient developed Plasmodium vivax malaria after taking the medicine containing 46% of its content. In Panama, in 2006, an intoxication caused the massive death of 180 people who were treated with a cough syrup containing diethylenglycol instead of glycerol just to save costs. In 2001, the Tanzanian Strategies for Enhancing Access to Medicines program took 110 samples of 10 different medicines and found that 12.9% of public facility samples and 13% of private pharmacy samples were substandard. In 2011, in Colombia, Estonia, India, and Russia, among other countries, it was found that 10% of the anti-TB drugs had a lower concentration of the active ingredient. Although most of the countries have developed strict standards and controls to ensure that all the medicines they produce are safe and effective, in developing countries, the lack of human and financial resources in the health sector limits the capacity for controlling and detecting substandard medicines. For these reasons, it is vital to take into account that the quality of the medicines provided in a pharmacy does matter, and that we all are ethically responsible of verifying where medicines come from and whether they achieve quality standards. Let's prevent a public health problem. Many people's lives depend on it.